They're right here in front of me. Look, selfie with a turtle right there. There's a turtle right there. Good morning, everybody from Brazil. It's a scorching hot morning, as always. 8:30 AM, I'm on the beach cycling, be meeting my other gringo friend who lives here in Vitoria, and we're going to do some stand-up paddling. I've got a heck of a lot of sun cream on. What a beautiful day to be out on the bike though. What a beautiful day to be alive. But 10-minute cycle from my house to the beach where we hired the stand-up paddle boards. I'm trying to do it about twice a week for fitness reasons and also just to get out on the water. It's just amazing. This beach here, this is Curva do Jurema, well, which is over that way actually. This is more the yacht club beach, I don't know what you call it. Yachts are behind me. I am back from the beach cycling. It was a lot of fun. I wasn't cycling, I was paddling. I cycled just to get there and back. Next priority today. Look at my face, wow, I've caught the sun today. I put factor 70 sun cream on. In my face, that can't be right. I think that is partly the light, this phone not getting the composure right, but also my face is a little red. It's not this red. That is bad videography iPhone. Anyway, I need a coffee. And then I will be set up for the rest of the day here in Brazil. Already been out once into the fresh air. I probably will go back out on the bike later on this evening. I might go out and take some photos as well. I've had some time to get cleaned up, get changed, showered, all that kind of stuff, and a rest. Pretty tired after that, I'm not going to lie, and also being in the sun for so long. But anyway, listen, I want to talk to you about my drone and drones in general. DJI have just launched a new drone, the DJI Mavic Air. And it is basically a cross between this, the Spark, and the Mavic Pro, kind of in the middle of the two sizes. It looks epic. Drones are amazing. Like, a lot of people who don't do videos and vlogs and all that kind of stuff are sometimes, I think, fail to understand why we are always like so excited about them. But like for me, basically, there's two things. First of all, they're just fun. Fun to fly, fun to use, and really interesting and great technology. But second of all, and probably more important for me, is the video. So video and photo. So for me, video and photo, I am able to capture things with this that you simply cannot get in any other medium. Like, this has opened up so many possibilities for me in terms of the types of image I could get. Not just aerial stuff, but also close-ups of nature and stuff would not necessarily be very accessible if you were on foot. First of all, this thing's so small and makes so little noise that like animals and other things are just like unsuspecting of it and don't really fear it. Talk about nature. Obviously the bird did go for it last time and attack it, and it broke one of the blades. I've changed the blade. I'm going to go out and fly the thing today. Hopefully it's all right. But I want to take some sunset photos for Instagram. Go on over on Instagram and check them out if you haven't. I would appreciate that. Let me know if you like the photos I took with this. But tonight I'm going to head out with this and see what I can do down by the beach. I've got a very specific idea for a very specific animal.
is only one spirit that moves through everyone and through all things. And so even though we are in the illusion that each person is separate from us, in fact and in truth, they're not. There is only really one of us.
Oh my god, guys, that was one of the most incredible drone experiences I've ever had. It wasn't the drone trip where I flew the furthest or the highest or anything like that, but finally, I've been wanting to take photos of the turtles here in Vitoria for such a long time, and finally I figured it out. The DJI Spark drone is the way to do it. There's so many turtles here just swimming in the bay right behind me, but they're so difficult to take photos of because they're very shy of people. But I've just found out with the drone you can do it so easily. They're right here in front of me, look. Selfie with a turtle right there. There's a turtle right there. Anyway guys, I'm losing the light really quick. Amazing experience with the turtles, with the drone, but the sun has set, as you can see behind me. I need to get going home. Tekka is in the car waiting for me. She's not much of a nature person like I am, so I need to get going. What a gorgeous night. Sunset here on the beach. Turtles everywhere.